Hello, I'm Leo Page here at MarineMax downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you around this 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. You'll see this boat has the white diamond exterior with a blue stripe, as well as black anodized fencing and bimini top. So we come around to the aft of this boat, you'll see it features our extremely unique single lounger floor plan. So not only do you get use of the full rear deck of this boat, but you also have a nice sunbed. You see we have a nice 4-step stainless steel ladder. Mercury 115 horsepower Pro XS series engine, a lot more power than a standard 115 horsepower engine. And of course our full stainless steel railing around the aft of the boat. Here we are on the interior of this 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. This boat features the single lounger seating arrangement, so not only do you get use of that expansive rear deck, you get the nice flip-flop lounger as well as the L-shaped seating. We have a nice high-back helm seat with flip-up armrest. Ergonomically laid out, upgraded helm, stainless steel bezeled gauges, and of course our forward-facing loungers feature recessed cup holders and smartphone pockets. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me direct, 407-394-7623.